Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I am going to show you how you can identify doveweed in your lawn. So the best time to identify doveweed is in the morning when there is no sunlight shining on your yard or your lawn. Because if you have sunlight shining, then it is kind of difficult to identify doveweed. But here in a shaded area, you can actually see the difference in the color. So this right here is centipede, but that right there is doveweed. And because we are in a shaded area, it is pretty easy to identify doveweed. Let me give you another example. So here we are again walking, and right now there is no sunlight or no sun shining, but here it is. You will notice the difference in color. So let me get a bit closer, but here it is. This is centipede, but this here is doveweed. If I go up a little from the camera angle, you will notice the difference. So that there is centipede, but that there is doveweed. So if I get closer again, right here, this is doveweed. And of course, we are going to pull a few of these out to show you how the root system looks like. So here it is. This is how the root system on doveweed looks like. It is very easy to mistake this for, St. Augustine. But again, as I mentioned, the best time to identify doveweed in your lawn is early morning, and you should be able to see the difference in color between doveweed or, say, centipede and St. Augustine. Here is another example. This again is doveweed, and it will start to send out runners as well. So let me pull this out. All right, so that right there is doveweed. You are going to see these thick stems or runners going, from the center of the plant towards the outside, and sometimes these are also purple in color. So again, the root system is kind of, small meshes. It does not have what you would call a taproot. But again, this here is doveweed, and that right there is a runner of mature doveweed. Here's another example of doveweed. You can see that we are also getting flowers. Now, the flowers you expect from doveweed, I think, are purple to yellow in color. Here is another example. So that right there is doveweed. You can see how it looks like the behind of a dove. But this right here is Saint Augustine. And when the sun is out and about in your yard, it is difficult to identify doveweed. But if it is bright outside and the sun is not shining on your yard, then it is easy to notice the difference in color. So again, that there is Saint Augustine, and that right there is doveweed. You do see the difference in color.